Okay, for today's activity, you're going to be doing an Education Galaxy lesson or activity. But the most important thing that you have done here is first, if your top says Education Galaxy, this video is for you. If your top does not say Education Galaxy, if it says Liftoff, I want you to watch the other video on this slide, okay? So this is for those students who are on Education Galaxy, and a couple other students have Liftoff. So in Education Galaxy, if you have not completed your My Diagnostic, like this one shows that it's not been taken, you need to finish this My Diagnostic, and then you will be able to do the My Recommended Topics for Study. Okay, if you have not done My Recommended Topics for, or you've not done the My Diagnostic, the My Recommended Topics for Study are not going to work. And today I want you to work on a red dot in My Recommended Topics for Study. Okay, if you have not finished My Diagnostic, that is the first thing you need to get done. I know it's long and it's going to take a little bit of time, but that is important to do because that's going to set you up for what you are studying. And it's going to tell you what you really need to study. So critical needs, some study means you kind of understand it. We just need some more practice, and Mastery Shown says you don't need any more practice on that topic, okay? Finish My Diagnostic if you haven't, and then go down to My Recommended Topics for Study, and I would like you to do a red dot today, okay?